learn how to control a servo motor with Arduino Uno using RFID. Guess what module? Okay, in this video, you know, we are going to be controlled a servo motor with Arduino Uno using RFID module. So let's get started. Okay, let us test the project. As you can see, it's working. I'm able to control the servo motor through this module, RFID module, okay, using Arduino Uno. And if the module detects the wrong card, okay, or tag, if you want, we're gonna trigger an alarm, okay. And but if you put the right tag, the servo motor turns spin, okay. I mean, you see, the servo motor will, yeah, if you want, will turn, okay, will spin, okay. And then after I think 3 seconds, it will go back to its initial position. Okay, in the last video, okay, if you notice, I connect, okay, the VCC of my servo motor directly to Arduino Uno, and it was if you want, it was kind it was I mean, the LCD display was not functioning well, okay, when I connected the servo motor directly to Arduino Uno. But in today's video, okay, I connected, okay, the VCC, if you want, okay, of my servo motor is attached to an external power supply, 5 volts, okay, so that the project can function well, okay. So now, okay, in the last video, when I connected the VCC of the servo motor directly to Arduino Uno, when the module, okay, whenever the module detects, okay, the right card, okay, the light, okay, of my LCD would like turn off, okay, when I attached the VCC of my servo motor to Arduino Uno. But right now, okay, the light doesn't turn off, okay, because I attached the VCC of my servo motor to an external power supply, okay, and that is 5 volts, okay. So now if it detects the right card, okay, the light, okay, is stable, okay, stable, okay, it doesn't go off, okay. Wrong card, the buzzer, okay, right card, Okay, great. So I'm going to show you the schematic, okay, the diagram, and the code. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.